Hey everybody, this is Tony at the Branded Man Garage. I'm going to be making some YouTube videos. So today I'm in my garage and I bought a Hunter alignment rack. It's a 14,000 pound and then it's got two 8,000 pound jacks. So they're the swivel jacks and then they lift the vehicles up. It's really a solid lift. I don't think it's really been used that much. None of the parts actually look like they were really wore that bad. The only thing is it sat outside. I want to say it sat outside for about a year. So I started trying to take it apart. I'm actually making this so you guys can actually see some of the before and after and during. So all I really did was I take the line. So it has air lines that run the two jacks. So I started taking it apart. So then I'm going to replace all the lines. I'm going to replace the fittings. I'm going to paint everything. I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the jacks off and I'm going to paint them black. I don't know. I just don't like the red. Being under the car, I'd rather have them black. So then the rest of the lift is going to be Harvester red. And then, I mean, it really, you guys look at it, you see a lot of sun fade because it sat outside. But really, I've seen a lot that are really eating into the metal. Like a lot of the steel really starts to deteriorate and really starts rusting through and stuff like that. The front plates are pretty much, they are shot. The front plates that used to be on this lift, as you can see, they are beyond rotted. The bottom, it's weird. It's like the rust like ran through. I mean, I could have it powder or sandblasted and powder coated. They look actually like brand new, but I already have two extra sets of plates that I've had, so I'll use those. But as you can see, the cables are really good. The surface rust on the nuts are from sitting outside and stuff like that. But look at the channels. The channels aren't really too bad. This is a very restorable lift. I'm hoping that everything. So what I did was in the front, it has an airlock system. This is kind of like a Mac Daddy lift because the other one I had, the 4-post, was nothing like this. So I'll actually show you. So it has all these airlines and stuff connected to it. And then, okay, so I was trying to research and trying to figure out how this thing works. So it's got like a green light for the air, and then it's got a release button. And then there's a plug. There's like a release air valve, check valve thing, and then the pump. You can see the pump. There's a way that there's an airline that goes to the pump. So it's really a really amazing, and you guys can see these massive locking system. This is like, you know, I mean, you look at that. That is, you know, major. So that's the airlocks that I already tested it. So what I did was I hooked my air hose up to it, and it actually used these, opened and closed them. So this is really cool. See, Hunter Engineering. I'm gonna try to like tape off some of the logos, some of the stuff. I don't need safety warnings. I know how to operate this thing, but this is just sweet, man. I'm so excited. I'm gonna run the electrical and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. See ya. Have a good day.